Alright, welcome back guys to another new video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to use hose clamp pliers to remove clamps on your hose. So you use this lever here to release it. So after squeeze, it's gonna close up this end. And you press this part to release it. So there's some gears right here used to lock it. So I'm going to show you how to remove it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to put it on the clamp. First, you're gonna hold it like this on the clamp and squeeze till it lock all the way up. Okay, so now it's locked. So you're going to easily remove the hose like this while it's on it. You can also take off the clamp of the hose, put it on back. So now I'm going to push on back the hose. So that's how easy it is. So I'm going to press this lever right here and release it, and there you go. So that's how it's work. So this is how it work. Easy to use. It's a good tool to have to remove your clamps. So most time you have the pliers using to squeeze it, and it's giving a lot of trouble to hold it sometimes to remove it at some deep space. For instance, down in the hole where is the radiator was at. This is an easy tool to use on there. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time.